sun's come out. This is going to be the best, probably last day of the year maybe, you know, so I'm giving this one a good go. Alright, hang on, big ball. We are everyday people. Here we go.